Running through. Not scheduled. Scheduled. Why is it scheduled? Hey, no, wait. Running through. Right. In Iliad, 1 second. Yeah, anyway. Sorry, I'm making sure because are you sure? I'm gonna make sure the mic's working as well. Yeah, how's everybody doing? Smab Halbernade. So yeah, usual bits and bobs. Diolch pawb yn ddod if you're live in the stream. Os ydych chi'n fyw yn yr stream. Oh, thank you for watching the VOD. Os ydych chi'n gwylio'r VOD ar hyn o bryd. Can't upload to YouTube. So this is how I... Dyma sut dwi yn fanyliso. This is how I upload. I stream the episodes live. I did try though. There is a part 4. And I down pedwar, which I did do a video. Nes I wneud video. And the video was only 7 minutes, but it took 2 hours to upload. So we gotta figure out how to upload videos. Thank God. Figure out how to upload your video. Cause that's video 7 munud cymryd dawr I fanyliso. So hynna fun. That was fun. So we're gonna try trio ffordd yma gyfarfod. So down dwytha, in last part we aged up Cariad. So Cariad is elderly. Herm is also healthy. I love the way they look. The long hair. My Sim is aging now. This one. I mean, we are nearly coming to the end of Gen 1. There's gonna be twins I oedio fyny. We've got twins to age up, and yeah, feels weird. Don't know how I'm gonna be doing the videos in ymlaen. Might just have to do videos just chwarae in general, because Cariad isn't there, but he's close. Ond ma'n agos I farw, and it does generally feel weird that Gen 1 is coming to an end already. Gen 2 will have 3 kids in them, and we're gonna figure out if that's Mai and Envis over the next few days. Kind of like the law of Mai doing it, because of Maynard and the twll fibonacci reference hefyd, reference, ond also Mai was the eldest, but if we're not doing it that way, I've kind of been doing like the law that Mai and Kurt have had like a teenage crush. They met on Mai's teenage birthday, a teenage crush, and I'm gonna try get them to romance each other and maybe go out. Cymryd allan o'i gilydd. Envis, not sure eto. Name and sure. I'm not sure about Envis yet. They've got a good relationship with Jim at the moment, but got involved. Just chwarae along. I'm gonna let them sort of semi-choose. Does that? Dewch. We'll figure it out. If a prompt comes up for either dating either or, neu cael rhywun arall, they will be a second generation. Ond hefyd, we are playtesting Plas Awen. We'll be playtesting Plas Awen. Nes I adeiladu hwn. Built this. Nes I adeiladu hwn wedi ysbrydoli gan Plas Gynweddol. Inspired by a place called Plas Gynweddol. This is on Gallery. Ar y Gallery hefyd o dan Lynette Creative, Lynette_Creative, as everything is. This is got everything for writers. Wedding venue as well can be done. It's got a cafe, mae gen nhw cafe, a little residence house here. Gych chi bar of fama, you got a bar, artist studios, basically a place to build skills up. Adeiladu sgiliau fyny, lle pysgota, lle garddio, music recording studio hefyd. But we're going to use it for, da ni'n defnyddio fo, ac ar pen bwyd heddiw, because I thought it'd be a good place, Sims Plas Awen was one of the first few places I built. Lle gynta si adael be a good place to start as we go, fel dan ni'n mynd. I have also started to hefyd wedi dechrau I wneud where's the cake? Lle mae'r gacan? We can bake one, it's not the end of the world. I know, dwi'n gwybod chi'n mynd hapus. I've tried getting the I nhw teimlo well, and the skills up and stuff as well. There we go. But they weren't really having it. Doedd ddim yn really gael o'n anffodus. A spot. Put this in the middle. Will that count as carry fel? And I've taken pawb. I've taken pictures of pawb. Everybody's been taking pictures of. Oh, that was a really nice moment out. And the moment's more nice again. No, it's got to be table. Okay, in a bwrdd. We'll do it in the cafe bach. Ganol fama. So yeah, I've taken a picture of everybody. Managed to get Cariad Sim to get one of each song in a bob can cyn o farw hefyd before he dies. Just trying to be, Gen I meddwl hefyd, what I was also thinking of doing was maybe having cael no, you can move inside. Oedd cael a painting, so the next few paintings I won't sell to gallery and I'm gwerthu gallery because we don't need the money just yet, ddim eto. And I think keeping it in my and Envis's inventory, so that's like passing it on, carry from line to the next generation, so they can have it in their house. I don't know, does anybody know if there's like osmana, if there's a photo album? I don't think there is. Dwi'n credu ma' 'na a photo album to put everything in. I'm gonna make a wish. Can you do a celebrate? Gallwn wneud? Does that mean dwi'n meddwl pawb yn dod yma? No, I don't know. Can you do a call over? Sorry, I'm still like a little bit new to Sims. I've been mainly building, so don't really know. Oh wait, no, don't put it in there. But I'm also in the middle of building a cemetery. I mainly build street and mainly adeiladu. Too far away. Okay, let's dusty fama. Dwi eisiau ffigur allan hefyd ffordd I gael in the symmetry logs mewn da. Bob, looking for, we're gonna make your way there. Dusty fana.
Penork.
I need to go pawb dod. Everybody should be on their way now. Come on, hun. I need it. It's like herding cats. Will they come when they're dod? I wonder if they come. Oh, there was a beautiful moment, and the moment's really nice out off. So, well, I've been off stream when my sim was painting and taking inspiration. Dirty man, where have you gone? No, come here. When a really beautiful moment. I'm gonna wait for everybody to come here. Pause it. And celebrate. So my sim was painting, and other than coming to Ysbrydoliaeth and took some inspiration from the Sims kids drawings that are on the wall. So Mrs. May's drawings took inspiration from it. And I thought that was really cute.
Simake!
Sawada! Wisp!
Woohoo! Yes!
Did you blow them out?
Pull borb na.
Oh! The one that age up the crack at the back. Oh, my gosh, Lloyd, grey hair suits them so much. Yeah, love it. It does feel like it's like the end is nigh though. It does feel like the end is near. Did I get a mixologist and then seen it? I did, but what Simano? I don't know where they are. Oh, love that. It does feel weird, like everything's nearly my body and brand. Like everything, my bob dim chwedlau. So yeah, this is I gotta do some skill buildings. So it's party pimple, but what I might get them to do is needig with catcher and do the homework because plus hour and it's a skill building place anyway. I don't know what bits you need. Hold on. Where have all my Sims gone? What are you doing? Oh yeah, it's a gallery, so yeah, art gallery, so of course. Of course it's never tonight. You're in the gift shop, it's in the gift shop. Accurate. But yeah, it does feel like the way it's coming to an end. Fine. Are you having an issue because
Alright.
can you do a call to mute? Did that on that? But yeah, oh my god, really, I don't really know what to do age-wise with a bubble. You need a platter quality. Okay, diolch yn fawr yn ddod. Thank you for coming. We're gonna have to that I'm gonna have to turn on the station. So I'm gonna have to finish this here. The next stream it'll be next video nesa. Mi fydd hyn twins birthday. When's? Wait. No. Birthdays. Heddiw. Where's okay, is that my birthday? Is that? Oh, I don't know. Dwi'n gwybod. Gawn ni weld. Okay. Dwi'n gwybod. Gawn ni weld. But diolch yn fawr dda. Thank you for coming. Keep safe. Cadwch saff lle bynnag da chi yn y byd. I do apologise because the internet is very good now. I fforddio chwaith to stream either I don't know what I'll do. I'll figure something out. I will try and do it. I'll try and maybe do like the in-between, cause the last moments of my Sims, because my last moments of Sims Creadigol or the OG Sims, I try and stream like a little bit of skill building, and then we will do the twins' birthday at Penblwydd the Twins. Diolch yn fawr, thank you for coming, a gobeithio pawb yn cael dydd dda wherever you are. Keep safe wherever you are, and have a good day. All the other parts from the Fibonacci playlist. I've built the cemetery, which I'll be going live on Twitch now with building over there, but everything will be on Sims4, pob dim a Sims4 dan Lynette Creative. Diolch yn fawr pawb, thank you for coming.